了，我看我的无极25022能不能传上。
312，310。All the more times I've been seven, I'm raising the bar, you can go ahead and measure. Think about time for a toast. Time that we welcome to go. Yo, when just leaving, I think about time that somebody go get on their coat. You know I got all that anthem, come back in what you call that add-on. Got anthems and bands with masters, getting them right like my name was Miranda. I ain't bigger dead than alive, I ain't bigger dead than alive. One more time, this is forever, remember the legend, he never gon' die. Yeah. I ain't bigger dead than alive, bigger dead than alive.
轮胎是 SC， 应该是轮胎是 SC， 跟那个贝纳利252一样的。反碳纤维的饰板，细节做工，我操，这无极不愧为大厂啊！看一下开机有没有仪式感啊？哎，不错 ，KFT 的彩屏，哎不错，哎还有模式选择，来，钥匙。它这模式怎么调的呀？哦 ，Sport 模式，竟然有2个模式。哇，细节的这个反碳纤维的饰板以及这些缝接处，我觉得细节做工真的很不错，磨砂漂亮。这颜色是不是特别少？好骚啊！待会儿试一下看看怎么样。
Run.